Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set guys how to turn off guys Poco phone guys alarm ringtone. Friends, you want to off guys your Poco phone alarm ringtone. So friends, how to turn off Poco phone alarm ringtone today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to turn off alarm ringtone. After on phone setting friends, click on your Poco phone sound and vibration settings. So guys, we will click on Poco phone sound and vibration. After clicking on Poco phone sound and vibration guys, we will click on alarm ringtone, and guys click on all ringtone, and guys click on don't set ringtone. So friends, now you can see we don't have any alarm ringtone. You can increase volume. Alarm ringtone is silent. So guys, your phone alarm ringtone will off and you cannot use your alarm ringtone. Friends, you can see we don't have alarm ringtone. Friends, you want to set, so again click on guys your ringtone. You want to set guys online ringtone. First, friends, you can see you will have to on your mobile data, and guys you have Wi-Fi, so connect Wi-Fi network. Second, friends, you can see add alarm ringtone means custom ringtone guys. You want to set guys, tap here, select any ringtone, OK option, custom ringtone will set on your alarm ringtone guys. And friends, you want to use guys your system ringtone, and the default ringtone you want to set, guys click on default ringtone. Alarm default ringtone will set on Poco phone and you can use it. So friends, now we will click on don't set ringtone. So after click on don't set ringtone guys, your ringtone will off. And friends, you want to set guys your phone custom this system ringtone, so you can set from here guys. And you don't want to use guys, click on all ringtone, don't set ringtone, ringtone will off. Now guys, you cannot use guys your alarm sound. Friends, you can see we don't have any alarm ringtone on Poco phone. So like that guys, we can turn off guys alarm ringtone on Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet in the next video. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.